if you hear that noise, nine times out of 10, it's the ball joint, the bottom ball joint. A lot of people think it's the shocks. A lot of people think it's the shocks because you hear it on the potholes when you're driving, but it's probably the bottom ball joint. Even though you replaced it not too long ago, but sometimes the rubber boot breaks and all the grease comes out of it. So you basically have metal to metal rubbing with each other. And after a while, you start getting that noise because they've been rubbing together for such a long time that they're starting to kind of like to create like a surface that creates that noise. But a lot of people think it's the shocks because when you hit the potholes, you hear the noise and stuff like that, or like when you hear like a little bump. But I will give a look at the bottom ball joint. That could happen with any vehicle. It don't necessarily have to be a Honda. It could be any car, but mostly you hear in Hondas, Toyotas, Acuras. So give that a check. Even if you changed it already, maybe they gotta change the messed up the actual rubber boot that actually holds the grease inside, so it'll create that cushion between the metal and the metal. All right, guys, peace.